Let's start with the basics: fractions and arithmetic. They look simple, but they cause a surprising number of careless mistakes. Here's the first problem. Simplify the fraction 60 over 84. Your options are A, 20 over 28, B, 15 over 21, C, 5 over 7, D, 30 over 42. Pause the video and give it a try. A common mistake here is to stop too early. For example, dividing by 2 or 6 and leaving it at 30 over 42. That's not the simplest form. The greatest common factor of 60 and 84 is 12. 60 divided by 12 is 5, and 84 divided by 12 is 7. That gives us 5 over 7. And since 5 and 7 share no further common factors, this fraction is fully simplified. So the correct answer is C, 5 over 7. Our next problem, 12.48 divided by 0.4. The options are A, 31.2, B, 3.12, C, 312, D, 0.312. Pause the video and see what you get. A common mistake here is to just divide 12.48 by 4 and stop at 3.12. That happens when you forget to shift the decimal because the divisor is less than 1. To fix this, multiply top and bottom by 10. That turns it into 124.8 divided by 4. Now divide. 124.8 divided by 4 equals 31.2. Quick check. 0.4 times 31.2 does indeed give 12.48. So the correct answer is A, 31.2. Now let's solve this one. Compute 8 plus 4 times the quantity 6 minus 2 squared. Your choices are A, 72, B, 40, C, 24, D, 32. Pause the video and try it yourself. A common mistake is to add 8 plus 4 first. That breaks the order of operations. Let's follow PEMDAS step by step. First parentheses, 6 minus 2 equals 4. Second, exponents. 4 squared equals 16. Third, multiplication. 4 times 16 equals 64. Finally, addition. 8 plus 64 equals 72. So the correct answer is A, 72. Next, we'll look at percents and ratios. Practical math that shows up all the time, both on the GED and in real life. Next up, a jacket's price drops from $80 down to $60. What is the percent decrease? Your choices are A, 20%, B, 25%, C, 30%, D, 40%. Pause the video and give it a try. A common mistake is to take 60 minus 80, then divide by 60. That gives negative 33.3%, because the wrong base was used. Here's the right way. First, find the change. 80 minus 60 equals 20. It's a decrease, so negative 20. Next, divide by the original price, 80. Negative 20 over 80 equals negative 0.25. Finally, convert to percent. Negative 25%. That means the price decreased by 25%. So the correct answer is B, 25%. Here's the next one. Simplify the ratio 24 to 36. Your options are A, 2 to 3, B, 4 to 5, C, 3 to 5, D, 5 to 6. Pause the video and work it out. A common mistake is to just divide both numbers by 2 and stop at 12 to 18. That's not fully simplified. The greatest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. Divide both numbers by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. So the ratio simplifies all the way down to 2 to 3. Now let's try a proportions problem. If 5 pencils cost $4, how much would 15 pencils cost? Your choices are A, $10, B, $12, C, $15, D, $20. Pause the video and give it a shot. A common mistake is to just multiply 4 times 15 and get 60. That's not correct, because the cost doesn't scale that way. The better approach is to find the unit price. $4 divided by 5 pencils is $0.8 each. Multiply by 15. 15 times 0.8 equals $12. So the total cost for 15 pencils is $12. Now it's time for algebra. Many students find this scary, but it really comes down to just a handful of rules. Here's an algebra problem. Solve 3x plus 7 equals 19. Your options are A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 6. Pause the video and try it out. A common mistake is to take 19 divided by 3 right away. That skips an important step. First, subtract 7 from both sides. That gives 3x equals 12. Next, divide both sides by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So x equals 4. Now solve the inequality. 5x minus 9 is less than or equal to 16. Your choices are A, x less than or equal to 4. B, x greater than or equal to 5. C, x less than or equal to 5. D, x greater than or equal to 4. Pause the video and give it a try. A common mistake is flipping the inequality sign when it isn't necessary. Remember, you only flip the sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Step 1. Add 9 to both sides. That gives 5x is less than or equal to 25. Step 2. Divide both sides by 5. That leaves x less than or equal to 5. The correct answer is C, x less than or equal to 5. Factor the quadratic expression. X squared plus 7, x plus 12. Your choices are A, x plus 6 times x plus 2. B, x plus 4 times x plus 3. C, x plus 12 times x minus 1. 1. D, x plus 7, x plus 1. Pause the video and try factoring it yourself. A wrong approach is to pick 6 and 1 because they add to 7, but 6 times 1 is only 6, not 12. Correct explanation. Step 1. We need two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. That pair is 3 and 4. Step 2. Rewrite the quadratic as x plus 3, x plus 4. Step 3. Double check with FOIL. X squared plus 7, x plus 12. Perfect. The correct answer is B. Up next, geometry. All you need are a few core formulas for area, perimeter, Pythagoras, and volume. Find the area of a rectangle with length 12 and width 7. Your choices are A, 84, B, 19, C, 42, D, 74. Pause the video and give it a try. A common mistake is to add the sides. 12 plus 7 equals 19, but that gives the perimeter, not the area. Correct explanation. Step 1. Recall the area formula. Length times width. Step 2. Multiply 12 times 7. That equals 84. Step 3. Always check the units. It's square units because we're finding area. The correct answer is A, 84. Find the area of a triangle with base 10 and height 6. Your choices are A, 16, B, 30C, 60D, 80. Pause the video and see what you get. A common mistake is to use the rectangle formula, base times height, which would give 60. But that's not correct for a triangle. Correct explanation. Step 1. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Step 2. Substitute the values. 1/2 times 10 times 6. Step 3. That equals 30. It makes sense because a triangle is exactly half of a rectangle of the same base and height. The correct answer is B, 30. Find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs 8 and 15. Your choices are A, 17, B, 20, C, 25, D, 10. Pause the video and give it a try. A common mistake is to simply add the legs. 8 plus 15 equals 23. That's not how the Pythagorean theorem works. Correct explanation. Step 1. Recall the formula. C squared equals a squared plus B squared. Step 2. Plug in the numbers. 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 64 plus 225, which is 289. Step 3. Now take the square root of 289. That equals 17. The correct answer is A, 17. This is also a classic Pythagorean triple. 8, 15, 17. Now let's cover data and probability. This section checks whether you can interpret graphs and understand basic statistics. What is the mean of the numbers? 4, 6, 8, and 10. Your choices are A, 7, B, 8, C, 9, D, 10. Pause the video and try it yourself. A common mistake is to pick 8 because it's the middle value, but that's the median, not the mean. Correct explanation. Step 1. Add the numbers. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 equals 28. Step 2. Divide that total by the number of data points, which is 4. Step 3. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. That's the mean, or average. The correct answer is A, 7. What is the median of the numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13? Your choices are A7, B8, C9, D10. Pause the video and see what you get. A common mistake is to pick 9, thinking it's the middle. But remember, when there's an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Correct explanation. Step 1. The two middle numbers here are 7 and 9. Step 2. Add them together. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Step 3. Divide by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. The correct answer is B, 8. What is the probability of rolling an even number on a fair six-sided die? Your choices are A, 1/6, B, 1/2, C, 1/3, D, 2/3. Pause the video and think it through. A common mistake is to count only two even numbers and say 1/3. But remember, there are actually 3 even numbers on the die. Correct explanation. Step 1. The even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. That's 3 favorable outcomes. Step 2. The total possible outcomes on a die are 6. Step 3. 3 out of 6 simplifies to 1/2. The correct answer is B, 1/2. You've now worked through the 15 most commonly missed GED math problems. If you want to keep practicing each type, open the GEDprep app, where you'll find AI-guided GED practice and explanations. So, download now.